Hi guys, I just made a video about how to build, building an ISO is shared with you. This knowledge is there, it's out there. ArcoLinuxB.com is the website how to build an ISO. Don't download them, build them. It's there so you can build your own personal ISO. And at the top it says anything Arch, basically. Try it out, see if it works, right? And I'm at this point in time on an up-to-date system of EndeavourOS. So, is it still the same? Can we still update, build an ISO on EndeavourOS? Quick test. So in the last video I made the XS, there's the XS LTS, the XL, there are all these ISOs all are online, just the same procedure every single time, with different desktops or different core ISOs. XL, XS, XS, LTS, those are the core ISOs, or the ArcoLinux D, a very minimal base thing. Choose. I'm gonna take this one. It doesn't really matter because it's all the same thing. You copy paste this code, Control C. Let's navigate to a different desktop. Control Alt T, Control Shift V, stop, and enter, and then you have yourself a new folder, ArcoLinuxWM, and all you need to do is change whatever you want to change, in the sense that in this folder is just this and that. That's from the personal repo, so Nemesis, and this is from Arch and Arco. So if you see in here packages, always go to the bottom and then work your way up. The first things are very important, leave them, right? But packages you already know of, names you already recognize, sure. You know what Firefox is, you know what Thunar is, and stuff like that. Do you want it or you do not want it? If you do not want it, there's a hashtag in front of it. If you do want it, then it's installed, and it should be without hashtag. PyChem is not installed, transparency in terminals is not there then, and so on. So choose what packages you like. It's like a big Lego box, and where you choose all the blocks and say, that one I don't want to have, that one I don't want to have, and so on. And then, if that's clear to you, you just run number 40, which will be using less bandwidth. So let's see if that works just fine. Didn't do much, in the sense that this is of course a machine already, it has been changed. So if we do sudo pacman -sy, we do have the availability over the ArcoLinux repos. Right? We do have those, because all the references to packages are probably not going to be on EndeavourOS. So where is pacman going to get the packages? And that's the ArcoLinux Spices tool. So ArcoLinux Spices, if you go to the info, it will always be on this first page. You scroll down, there are 3 major packages, applications. ArcoLinux Tweak Tool, oh god, I should still change to ArcoLinux, I'll do it immediately. And then ArcoLinux Spices application, that's this, right? How to get the ArcoLinux packages on anything ArcoLinux, that's this. Super simple, keys, one button, click, boom, and there's a treasure. So I've done that, installed the ArcoLinux Tweak Tool, installed also LeftWm, and that's why we have EndeavourOS looking like this. In the meantime, he's been working and checking. These are the 4 lines we always have to go over, right? The keys and the keyring, the Arch Linux keyring. If something is wrong, you install it again, update it and install it. And here's going to check the package integrity, which is also a good thing, of course. A little bit bigger. And once you pass that, it's done, right? The end result is an ISO, your personal ISO, in this case an ArcoLinuxB Leftwm. But then again, right, anything is okay as long as you have the ArcoLinux Tweak Tool. You can still install XFCE on it, or Plasma, or any of the other desktops if you get tired from it. I say, okay, why not get an extra desktop and put it on there? So it's always available. It's ready, it's there. Ctrl-Alt-E. You've got the tweak tool. So that's it for me. It's working just fine. That's the test. And have a go at building ISOs. It's not that difficult. Common sense often. There will be messages in here that you will say, oh, that's strange, right? We see these messages too. Never mind, and they're fine. The thing is, watch a few more videos. In some of the videos, I'll tell that's okay, that's no problem. Don't do this, don't do that, do this. So the more videos you watch how to build an ISO, the easier it will get. All right, cheers.